In this video, I'll tell you how to apply color to alternate rows like this. 2, 4, 6. These all are the alternate rows. Sometimes you need to apply colors to make it more visible, to more attractive. You can do or you can achieve this by writing only 3-line code in VBA. Let's start. Before that, remove this formatting. Go to Developer tab, Visual Basic, and start writing code. Sub highlight, and use one for loop for I equals to selection. The thing we will select will get this property dot rows dot count to 1 step -2. In this code we are using step keyword -2 and selection dot rows interior color equals to. Using this code you can also change the font color and all. Font size you can convert it into bold. Same code will be used, but we are only changing the color green. Next, I, and your code is ready. Select and run the code. See, so only using 2 or 3 line code you can achieve this. You can color the alternate rows.